In this short guide, I'll show you how to add employees to your Stagetrac dashboard. From the Supervisor dashboard, click on the Employees button. You'll notice a sample employee is already listed. This employee is added automatically when you create your account. You can remove it by clicking the Delete button and confirming when prompted. Before adding real employees, it's a good idea to set up shift templates. Shift templates define working hours, break times, and days off, so Stagetrac knows when employees are scheduled to work. To get started, click the Manage Shifts button. You'll see a sample shift template for a standard day shift. This is only an example and can be deleted. Click Delete, then click OK to confirm. Next, click Create New Template. Enter a template name, such as Standard Day Shift. You can also add a description if you like. This step is optional, but it can help keep things organized. Scroll down and set the start and end times for Monday. For example, you might set a start time of 6 a.m. and an end time of 2 p.m. If the shift includes an unpaid lunch break, enable the lunch break option and set the start and end times for the break. If other days use the same schedule, you can copy Monday instead of entering times manually. Use the Copy Mon button for Tuesday, then copy Tuesday to Wednesday and continue until Friday. For non-working days, such as Saturday or Sunday, simply uncheck the day. Once everything is set, click Create Template. Shift templates only need to be set up once. If your company uses multiple shifts, you can create additional templates later. Now click Back to Employee List. To add an employee, click Add New Employee. Enter a unique employee ID or employee number, then enter the employee's full name. Next, select the employee's shift from the drop-down menu. All previously created shift templates will appear here, and the assigned shift can be changed at any time. Click Add Employee to finish. You'll see a confirmation message showing that the employee was added successfully. You can now click View Details to open the employee profile. Here, you can see the employee's assigned shift, their worker portal PIN, weekly schedule, and task history. As the employee logs work, all completed tasks will appear here, and you can generate reports, timesheets, or export the data to Excel whenever needed. To add more employees, return to the employee list and repeat the process. Thanks for watching. You're now ready to start managing employees in Stagetrac.